Hello viewers, I am Darigo. Today we discuss about government job notification for engineers from employment newspaper of this week. Last week we have a number of government job opportunity for civil, electrical and mechanical, but this week we have more opportunity to mechanical, electronics, electrical and electrical instrumentation engineering. We will discuss detailedly about this notification in this video. Before going to the video, still if not subscribed to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for latest update, then only get our update regularly. In employment news, in first page, they discuss about Indian rhinos work in 2020, how they promote the rhinos population. Then in the end of this page, we discuss about the digital learning and rapid emerging, how the technology utilize the teachers, how they conveying to the students during this COVID condition. First notification for engineers from Indian Oil for the post of apprentice from northern region in marketing division. Totally 436 posts, fresher apprentice and skilled certificate holder. For 436 notification is no post from in Tamil Nadu. The age limit minimum 18 years, the maximum age 24 as on date of 30/11/2020. Then age relaxation is applicable for this post. Education qualification: first technician apprentice, 3 years regular full-time, diploma in mechanical, electrical, instrumentation, civil, electrical, electronics and electronics engineering with a minimum of 50% for a general and OBC candidate. Then for SC/ST the minimum are 45%. Then second one, trade apprentice, fitter, electrician, electronics, mechanic and instrumentation and machinist, full-time in ITI. Then third one, non-technical trade apprentice, accountant, regular full-time, graduate in any discipline, the minimum 50% for general category and OC category, then 45% for SC/ST and PWD category. Then fourth one, fifth one, for data entry operation, non-technical post, the education qualification, the minimum full-time class of 12th standard. You can apply for this post from the website of www.iocl.com. Last date to apply for this post 19/12/2019. The next notification came from Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises (MSME) for the post of Physical Director in Mumbai, then General Manager Aurangabad, then General Manager in Indore and Physical Director in Agra. Can apply from the website of dcmsme.gov.in. Education qualification for Physical Director in Mumbai, degree in Mechanical, Electrical, Electronics, Communication and Instrumentation. The postgraduate qualification in Engineering, Technology and Management. Have experience of 15 years. Then for General Engineering post, Aurangabad and Indore, have degree in Mechanical and Production Engineering. The postgraduate qualification in Engineering, Technology and Management. Have experience in 15 years. Then Physical Director in Agra, have degree in Mechanical, Metallurgy and Production Engineering. Then postgraduate diploma in Foundry Forging Technology. Then post-graduation qualification in Engineering, Management and Computer Application. We have essential of 15 years of experience in the base of foundry and forging industries. In scale of pay, Sound Space Commission, the level 13, the minimum of 37,400 to 67,000. Age limit 50 years maximum. Have age relaxation, SC/ST 5 years and OBC candidate 3 years. You can apply on or before 4/1/2021 from the website of www.dcmsme.gov.in in this website. DRDO notification from Hyderabad. This is DRDO notification for mechanical engineers and aeronautical and aerospace engineering. They have totally 7 vacancies. The JRF for mechanical 3 vacancies. Qualification: those who completed in B and B Tech in mechanical engineering have valid gate score in paper of mechanical engineering, or in ME and M Tech in first class in mechanical engineering with first class in B and B Tech in mechanical. Second discipline, aeronautical and aerospace engineering, JRF, total 4 vacancies. Education qualification: B Tech with first class in the aeronautical and aerospace engineering with valid gate score, the paper aerospace engineering, or the ME M Tech in first class in aeronautical and aerospace engineering with B Tech first class with recognized university. In JRF stipend per month 31,000 as per the DRDO rules. Then JRF tenure, initially the offer period 2 years, it will be extended based on the performance. Then medical benefits, there is no medical benefits, it will be self only. Then age limit, the maximum, the upper age limit 28 as on date of closure of the advertisement. Then age relaxation, SC/ST 5 years, then OBC 3 years. Then application procedure, the eligible candidate, they complete the application and download the application form from the www.drdo.gov.in. Last date of receipt of application, within 21 days of date of publication of in employment news on or before 31/12/2020, you have to send the application in the respective address. The next selection process, then venue of address is given, venue of interview they given, then important instructions also they given. Then this is a application form, you can fill this and send it in the respective address. The next notification from AIIMS Raipur, All India Institute of Medical Science. The notification for the post of executive engineer for electrical, civil and air conditioner and refrigeration, group 1, the 1 month post. You can apply from the website of www.aimsraipur.edu.in. The last date for this application 21/12/2020. The detail of notification is not given here. You can check it in the website. The age relaxation, notification and qualification, everything you can check it in the website. Then next notification from Canara Bank, Karnataka, Bangalore. The eligible candidates can apply through online only from the website of www.canarabank.com. Then important dates, application, the payment of application, then opening and closing date 25/11/2022, 15/12/2020. The online examination, it will be on January or February 2021 is the tentative date. Candidate can apply only for one post from this is requirement. They given the detail of post and reservation, the post, the backup administration, the database and developer, then cost accountant. You have n number of posts is given. For this post, the eligibility and criteria, the age limit, education qualification, then post qualification, work experience will be checking from the website of www.canarabank.com. Will be two types of posts. The first 1 to 9 will be one scale, JMGS scale, the age limit 20 to 30. Then second one, MMGS second, the 10 to 23 will be postcode, the age limit 22 to 35. Then age relaxation, the age relaxation for the OBC 3 years, then SC/ST 5 years, the PWD 10 years, then person affected by 1984 rights 5 years, then ex-serviceman is 5 years. The salary, a pay scale started from 23,700 to 51,490. Then application SC/ST will be 100 rupees plus GST, the other 600 plus GST. Then selection process, online test, group discussion and interview, then shortlisting. Then general instruction, advertisement, the guidelines and the procedure how to apply through online and payment, uploading photograph and signature, any information you can check it from the website of www.canarabank.com. in career requirement and click here, you can get all the information. Notification is not for engineering, it's for medical, agriculture, library, arts, insurance, etc. etc. We will skipping everything and move to engineering notification. Next notification from ICAR, National Research Center on Mithun, is for one post, youth professionary, consolidated pay 15,000. Education qualification, the graduate in information technology or computer application. You have 2 years experience in web designing and network and hardware. Then portal department and management with aspects. You have to Java and Oracle. You have to know this application. Then age limit 21 to 45. You can apply from the website www.nrcmithun.icare.gov. Next notification from NTPC Limited, inviting for diploma engineers for the post of diploma trainers from Jharkhand, Orissa, Chhattisgarh. Totally 70 posts. mining 40, mechanical 12, electrical 10, then mine survey 8. First 2 years training period, the consolidated stipend of 24,000 per month, then followed by the completion of training, the candidate the basic pay 24,000 in W7 grade. Then age limit, the upper age limit 25 age, the last date of application, the age relations available applicable for this post. Then qualification, the mining, the full time in diploma, the mining and mine survey engineering with minimum of 70% of marks. For in electrical, the full time of regular diploma in electrical and electronics engineering with minimum of 75%. Then for mechanical, the full time diploma in mechanical and production engineering with a minimum of 70%. Then mining survey, full time regular diploma in mining survey and diploma in mining engineering and diploma in mining and mining survey with minimum of 70%. The SC, ST and PW, the relaxations applicable for here. Then selection process, the 2 stages of online test, computer based test. Then first online test, the 120 multiple choice questions. Then general English, quantitative aptitude and reasoning will conducted. The 2 hours. Each question getting 1 mark and negative marks of 0.25 marks awarded. Then second stage, the 120 mark multiple choice question. In same thing, the same duration, 2 hours, the 1 marks and negative marks of 0.25 marks. Test centers. While filling the online application, you can give the appropriate correct test centers. Then project vacancies they given here. There are no project vacancies for mining for PW post. Then reservation, the SC/ST 5 years and OBC 3 years. Then no registration fee for SC/ST. Then upper age limit is given here. Service agreement bond required for the candidate. For service agreement bond of rupees 1 lakh for minimum period of 3 years. Then after completion of training. Then health checkup. The health checkup is conducted the medical examination of NTPC medical board. There are no relaxation in the medical norms in this allowed. The detailed norms are available in the website. Eligible candidate can apply through online only from the website of www.ntpccareer.in with valid email ID. Can apply the last date 23/11/2020. You can pay through the State Bank alone. Once you pay, any circumstances can't be refunded. Then admit card will be sent through the website only. Information only Indian nationals only are eligible. Then no TDA for the interview, then online examination. The next, Cement Corporation of India, CCI. Here they have vacancy of the post of junior management trainee from the discipline of chemical, mechanical, electrical, instrumentation, mining, civil, system, HR, marketing, finance and company secretary. The maximum age 27. Cut-off date, age and qualification will be 30/11/2020. The last date to apply for this post 31/12/2020. You can apply from the website www.cciltd.in website. Then further detail of the advertisement you can check from the website in career section. Notification from DRDO Bangalore. Already we seen the DRDO notification from Hyderabad. Same thing here. Then here the JRF from the Department of Mechanical, then Electronics, then specialization. Then first JRF 4 vacancies. Education qualification BE BTech in Mechanical Engineering with valid NEET and GATE qualification, or in ME MTech in Mechanical with first class in both graduate BE and MG. Then JRF 1 vacancies from the Department of Electrical and Electronic Communication and Instrumentation with NEET and GATE qualification, or in ME MTech in Electrical and Electronics Communication and Instrumentation with both first class. Then JRF 1 vacancies BE BTech in Polymer in Science and Technology, then Textile Technology. Then same thing, valid of GATE score and NEET. Then or ME MTech in Polymer Science and Technology, then Textile Technology in first class in both graduate. Then remaining instructions, then stipend will be 31,000. Then you can apply before 31 days of after the publication advertisement. Then maximum upper age limit 28. Online application and sent through the DRDO center, everything will be same as like we seen in last notification. Everything will be same. The remaining notification is not for engineers. For more details, check the official notification in the respective website. If you have any doubt, text in comment box. Once again, I'll meet you in another video. Thank you.